want to have some discussion on the quarry development. As usual, this is our team, always IMMPE team, that is the Institute of Mining, Metallurgical, Petroleum Engineers Uganda Limited. And as well, this is my team. Have the engineers here, have the geologists. Today we shall look at an example of a quarry.
To start up with quarry, basically we first do exploration, prospecting, we demarcate the land, the rock, then after proving that the rock is of quality now, we do core drilling. Then we take to the labs, we test, we get the lab results to confirm really that the rock is strong enough that we can get good quality. And from the quarry, there is no waste. Everything is productive. We can get sand, we can get aggregate, we take for construction and so many others. So after sampling, then we do the productive drilling. During productive drilling, we drill the holes according to the specification. We can say maybe according to blasting, we are going to use straight line. That means we are going to use straight line blasting. So we drill the holes in straight line and they will be blasted in that line accordingly. So we can drill according to the depth of the bed that is desired. Then after there, we charge them for blasting. For blasting, we can use explosive, that is like amphor. Then we get material. So the preferred method, we can use staggered to avoid boulders, to avoid overbreak and underbreak at the same time. So during those stuff, we take the material using trucks or belts to the crushers. After the crushers, they go to the grinders, basically to reduce on the size according to the specification of the size. After getting those material, there is no more processing that is needed, so less chemicals are used in the quarry part.
As we have used some language which is more of the mining, but to any layman, we should know that the quarry, everything in the quarry can be put to use. There are three classes of aggregates majorly. We have the small size, the medium size, and larger size. Okay, and it depends the purpose. If you contract us a final job, depending on what you want us to design for you, you have to give us the specifications of the products you want, and us we design a quarry depending the specification you have given us. If it's for the road, we know what kind of sizes we want. If you are going to have a batch plant, we also know the sizing you want. And any kind of asphalt, we know the sizing you want. So it varies depending on what exactly a contractor needs on site. But they are the same products, only that you can only receive them using the screens of different sizing. The same processes are okay. And when we go maybe to the mineral economics, the geologists would tell us that the production, maybe if you're using diesel, you can always consume about $5 to produce 1 ton. Not $5, it can be $7 to the maximum. But for the electricity, like this national grid here in Uganda, we have IMMPE or UEDCL, you can consume $5 per ton, and then that is all maybe minus X works, but these are fixed cost of production. If you involve the X works, that is commercial works, then you may end up producing a ton at $9 maximum. Then if you're looking at the business, please, we also do the mineral economics, depending on how much you can invest, how much you can get, and finally you are able to verify your project, either it's going to be profitable or not profitable. IMMPE is always the office to reach, and you can always contact us. We have a very good team and young energetic team which can always give you guidance on how the project is. Today we are in the oil region. Besides there, we are having Lake Albert. Here we are having our good sceneries, and we are developing a very big quarry, which is going to be the biggest quarry in the Midwestern, if not all Uganda. And when you are making a quarry, you need to look at the life of the mine. We emphasize life of the mine. We need a quarry which can go up to 150 years. Then we are going to design very good benches, very good blast vanes, very good berms, so that we have everything designed in order, not blasting at any point because we need maybe the materials, but we are going to follow the protocol of mining so that even someone after 30 years can easily mine. IMMPE encourages environmental conservation, so that when you finish the quarry, you can easily do the reclamation or maybe the restoration of the nature, and so that people can easily enjoy. IMMPE is the answer, and we thank you for always being with us. Always contact us from DTB Center 405 Suit, and then it is plot 19 Kampala Road, opposite Cham Towers. That's where we sit with many guys. Very welcoming, very professional, and they always welcome you. Thank you for listening. Thank you.